Hello, Space Cowboys. How are you today? Scotty here, your favorite Martian, driving in his Tesla, about to make an epic journey. Whoa, what's that on my roof? It is my mountain bike, and that has something to do with what I'm going to be doing today. Can you guess what it is? Yeah. So I'm heading, actually not driving at all. Cars driving me, because that's how we do it in Tesla land. I've been riding and owning Teslas for the past 5 years and haven't seen a gas station in almost half a decade. How sick is that? And look, it's stopping at the light because it's just really cool. It's really getting better and better. So I'm going to take my bike. I'm heading out to the Verrazano Bridge, and if all goes well, I'll be shooting the Verrazano, shooting myself riding on my bike with my Mavic 2 Air following me behind, on the side, maybe in front. You hear what I'm saying? Mavic, flying, drone. If you don't know what a Mavic is, get it? Got it? Good. Yeah. So I will be sending this. This is episode one of many episodes. I will be getting back to you shortly and let you know how it goes. So wish me luck. Peace out. Okay, so I am back from my trip on my bike, and you're going to see some really cool footage. But this is after I shot the footage, and I am now heading out towards the other side of the bridge. So I'm excited about what just happened. Everything worked out perfectly. It followed me everywhere I went. It avoided something called APAS, which is a software technology that allows the drone to avoid obstacles, and it worked almost perfectly. There was just one little hiccup, but other than that, it was amazing. I am just blown away by this drone. It's less than 800 bucks, and for my money, owning the Pro Platinum and the Pro 2 now, that's over almost 1,800 bucks. For $799, you cannot beat this drone for anything. But anyway, so it's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Get a grip. Get a life! This is a fully semi-autonomous vehicle I'm driving. It cannot crash. You stupid American human. Let's make the most of this beautiful day. Won't you please? I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on my way. Won't you please? Please won't you be my neighbor? Hey neighbor, I am your favorite Martian. You know why I'm called the favorite Martian, your favorite Martian? I'm going to change my name legally to my middle name favorite, last name hair sticking up. Martian, because this is the worst now. All right, because I want to live on Mars someday. It's my goal. It's my MTP, my massively transformative purpose, as Mr. Peter Diamandis would say. Yeah, I'm going to Mars, man. It may not be now. It may not be in 10 years. It might be in 20, maybe 50. Maybe I'll just be like a computer program or a cyborg, and when they download my essence into another cyber entity and I leave this meat suit behind, I think I'm going the right way here. Okay, where am I going? Okay, 2.2. Yeah, then I'm going to get there by hook or crook. In Elon, we trust. Mars or bust, right? All right. This car never gets lost. It just take me home, baby. And the car's name is Nighthawk, by the way. You can call me Dragon. We are best friends. We play karate in the garage. I hate Brooklyn in the summer. Why do I hate Brooklyn in the summer? Because it smells like urine and 15-day-old bread. Are you lonesome tonight? Ho, ho, ho. Hey, Priscilla, where's my bacon? You know how I like it. really crispy. And I got a little friend here. His name's Little Elvis. He stays right up on the dashboard right there. Hey, Little Elvis. Ah, how you doing there, Scotty? So what do you think of our adventure? I think it's pretty great. I think it's, really, really, really good. I'm just saying. Yeah, I think so too, Little Elvis. Thank you. Thanks for that. So now we're heading over to the bridge, Little Elvis. What do you think about that? I love the Verrazano. It's a really great bridge. It separates the Staten Island, that rock from, hill from my blue suede shoes. Come on, Elvis. Come on, Little Elvis. Where you going? You a little wacky there on me? No. Come on. Oh no, I was just saying, I love that. I love that bridge. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, no, I hear you, man. It is a great bridge. Hey there, guys and gals. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe to my channel, and epic adventures await, I can assure you. So I look forward to seeing you in my next episode, and please hit the like button as well.